Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you the bot performance today. I did a live trading today in the Discord, and so everybody got to watch what was going on. This is our SpyBot Sweet Scalper, and we added a feature in there that one of the users come up with a strategy. And so we went ahead and added it because it was doing so well. He had traded this for a couple weeks, 100% accuracy. So I started looking at it, and he was right. It was working. It's unbelievable to me that this strategy will actually work, but it does. And so I programmed it, and I'm going to go ahead and do some more programming on it to fine tune it even better. But this particular strategy today finished up on my live account. You can see right here, this is live. Everybody in the Discord got to see my account and such. $1,535 gross profit. And out of that 1535, I think that well the commissions it come out to be almost $1,400. So there was about $100 in commission. There was about a little over $100 in commission. But I was trading 10 contracts. You got to remember that, and the amount of trades we did. So we're going to walk through this, and I turned it on here. There's my first trade, and it's just pretty quick about getting in the trade. Took the profit, and you can see right there 668.40. Now, I had to reset my bot because of my data. I was having trouble with my data. So this is going to go back to zero here in a second. And I had to reset it and go. We took a total of 4 trades. There's 2 right here, and then I took 2 more. So on this short coming down, it should have been a trade, and it did not take. So I missed that one. So again, I would be up to about 1535 in profit. So right here, this coming down would have been a short that it just did not take. Not right there, but on this next bar coming down, right there. So we ended up getting another trade in. We got this trade here, 334. I didn't get that on video, but it did take it. And then right here is the last one. I paused the bot because I just didn't want to um, I didn't want to trade anymore. I just took that. If I can make $1,000 a day running a bot, that's all I'm really looking for is $1,000. And it did really well. I'm going to change some codes. I'm actually going to make a separate bot just for this, and it's going to be all the settings and everything preset. The bot will run this strategy only. And several people run it today in the Discord. One person made like $1,800. One of them traded it, and he did 20 Apex accounts. Around $18,000 is what he did. Again, it took 16 trades from 8:35. This is the strategy we use, 8:35 to 10:30. But I went ahead and looked at it on up to 11 o'clock today, and it was 16 trades. The trades, if you look right here, 16 trades, 37.50 a contract, so it's $600 per contract. So that's about 115-20% of your trade because it's $500 a trade. And I was trading 10 contracts. If I would have just let it go, I would have made $6,000 on it. Again, don't be greedy. Go in, get your goal, get out, and live another day. So how do you get involved with this? You can go to Spy Money LLC, go to the NinjaTrader, and when you go up there, when you go up here, it will get you into where you need to be. Click here if you want to lease it. It'll take you right to the secure payment checkout. And if you scroll down, you can watch this video. It talks a little bit about it. Right here is some of the indicators it comes with. There's a lot more than this. We also have a trade copier that I built, and there's also a toolbar for your charts and stuff like that. There's a lot of goodies in there. It all comes 100% free with the lease of the Ninja Suite. Comes with these bots, plus I think there's 3 or 4 more bots that we have in there. The number one we use is the Sweet Scalper. That's the one that most people use. We have one called Coastal that does a really good job. A guy makes anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 a day trading, I think, 4 contracts on NQ. And then we have live training. Do this almost daily. Yesterday I did a couple times. Today I did about 3 hours of it. Have a Discord room. This is very important because this is where we do all the call outs and everything. talk about what's going on. You know, if anybody's running any certain things, so we just chat a lot about it, and then we all jump in on the same thing. So it actually works out really well. Frequently asked questions. I'm not going to bore you reading through this. You can pause this and look at it, or better yet, just go up to spymoneyllc.com/the Ninja Suite, and then you can read all about it. A frequent question I get is, does it work on funded accounts? Of course it does. It works on SIM, it works on the evaluation, and it also works on the live account. If you click right here, you'll get a discount coupon code. You scroll down, all the way down to here. You got 50,000 is one I recommend. Here is your coupon code. Get 50% off, so hop in on that. And come down. This talks a little bit about the difference between Apex and UProfit. Apex is by far the best one. That's what I use. I like it, especially when you get a funded account. When you get the funded account, there's the only rule is you can't go below $100 over your account. So if you got a 50,000 account, you just can't drop below 50,100. Once you get $52,600, then your drawdown is down to 100 over your 50. If you make $20,000 and you're up to $70,000, and then you lose $19,000, you did not blow your account. You shouldn't be losing that much money, but you won't blow your account doing that. So it's a really good program. It works well. Daryl's got a good thing going there. There's a few little glitches every now and then, but for the most part, it works pretty good. We go over all that. So if you want to contact me, how do you do that? Click on Contact Us, put in your information, put your questions down here. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number and what time is good for you Eastern Standard Time. That's where I'm located. And then we can try to set up a time to where we can talk and answer your questions. For the most part, most people type in their questions, send them to me, I answer them, and most of the questions are answered right here on the Ninja Suite. So when you click on that, scroll down, the majority of your questions can be answered right here. I would say probably almost every single question you'll have is answered here and also in the Ninja Suite program as far as the videos and stuff that you watch. That's actually pretty good. And in my opinion, I think it's the best package for NinjaTrader on the internet. It works real well. We have a high retention of users, renewing every month. And we do have some that leave, and usually the ones that leave is either not committed or if they're shy on money. So those are the two biggest reasons. If you're committed to learning, this is for you. If you're not committed to learning, this is not for you. If you want to be a better trader, this is your answer. If you're tired of blowing accounts, this is your answer. So let me know how I can help, and we'll go from there. I hope to see you all soon, and you'll have a great night.